wabarakatuh. Good morning all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indidi Pertiwi. Today I will present my article entitled Metacognition Description of Student with Mathematical Reasoning Ability. Okay, like me, metacognition is rethinking what has been taught. Metacognition in the learning process play a role in guiding the learning strategy. If students know what is known and what is not, they can focus on getting the knowledge gathered. Metacognition has three components, namely developing a plan, planning, monitoring, implementation, monitoring, and evaluating action, evaluation. Other than that, there is connection metacognition with mathematical reasoning ability. Based on the use of metacognition, students use metacognition to monitor and regulate reasoning, understanding, and problem solving. The reasoning is essential in the process of learning mathematics. Besides helping students understand complex material, it can also improve student abilities. Reasoning abilities is essential, but the reasoning abilities process by students have not developed well. The next slide about metacognitive component and indicator. Developing a plan or planning, monitoring, implementation, or monitoring. The indicator can be seen on the screen. The last one, evaluating action or evaluation and their indicator. The next slide about research method. Research type. This study use a qualitative descriptive approach. Participant, the research subject were students as class A of SMP Negeri 2 Boy Madang. Subject were taken by purposive sampling technique. The instrument used in this study were tests and interview. Data collection method is study include tests, interview, guideline, and observation sheet. Data analysis, the stage of data analysis were reduction, presentation, and conclusion drawing. Result and discussion, the author describe data from the subject in each category of mathematical reasoning abilities with metacognitive activity in solving problem. Data analysis from each research subject follow the following stages, namely understanding the problem, planning the solution, solving the problem according to the plan, and re-examining the step development, procedure, and result. Okay, S1 is subject with high mathematical reasoning ability at the stage of understanding the problem. S1 planning activity. The subject wrote down what was known and asked after reading the question, and monitoring. S1 reread the question to ensure that what he had written about now and asked was correct. And evaluation S1, after understanding the problem, S1 tried to think and remember what formula could be used to solve problem and work some of this formula into student worksheet. At the stage of planning the solution, metacognitive planning activities, namely the subject can choose the formula that will be used to solve the problem and can plan the order of the formula to be applied. At the monitoring stage, S1 reread the order of the formula used to ensure that the order of the formula used was correct based on data in the question. At evaluation stage, S1 was confident and decided on the formula to solve the problem. Next, the stage of solving the problem according to the plan. S1 carry out metacognitive planning activation. The subject wrote down the formula and applied the data in the problem by entering value or number in the formula. And the subject remembered the step to calculate with the formula used. At the monitoring stage, S1 performed calculate confidently because he believed that the formula used to solve the problem was correct. There was a calculation error when solving the problem at the evaluation stage. When the subject found something wrong, he corrected his calculation mark by scribble on the student worksheet. At the stage of re-examining the procedure and the result of the completion, S1 fulfill the planning metacognition activity, namely re-examining the result of the calculation by entering the result obtained into the formula used. At the monitoring stage, S1 rechecks whether it was following the step and the formula sequence plan by marking a check in the answer step on the student worksheet. At the evaluation stage, S1 decides with confidence that the formula step and completion result were correct and achieved the desired goal. S2, subject with moderate mathematical reasoning ability. At the stage of understanding the problem, S2, the subject wrote what was known and asked on the student worksheet, and the monitoring S2 read many times to ensure that what is written about known and asked is under the question intent. At the evaluation stage, S2 write down several formula studied to decide the next step in solving the problem. At the stage of planning the solution, metacognitive planning activities S2, after the subject has written down several formula that have been studied, the subject decide on several formula that could be used and think about a plan for the completion. And the monitoring side S2 did not seem too sure about the formula and the step to solve it. However, the subject reread the question given, believing that the formula and step that would be applied were under intent of the question. At the evaluation stage, S2 decide on the formula, but the subject had not written down the formula to find the cost needed for the problem. At the stage of solving the problem according to plan, S2 carry out metacognition plan activities. The subject wrote down formula and enter number from what is known to the problem and remembered the step or way in complementary calculation in the formula that have been read. At the monitoring, S2 made the calculate but looked confused. However, the subject continued the calculation until he found the result and checked the step for the solution. At the evaluation stage, the subject made error in the calculation. After monitoring the result of the subject work and trying correct the location of the error seen by the scribe on the study worksheet, because S2 already felt confident with the result obtained. At the stage of re-examining the procedure and the result of the completion, the subject did not complete the stage of re-examining the procedure and the result of the completion, so S2 did not carry out metacognitive activities. S3, subject with low mathematical reasoning ability, at the stage of understanding the problem, planning activities, S3 wrote down what was known and asked, and monitoring, S3 read the question repeatedly to determine whether what was written about known and asked was appropriate and correct. At evaluation, S3 re-examined what was known and asked that had been right. Then S3 wrote one of the formula learned regarding the circle material used for the next step. And the stage of planning the solution, S3 did not carry out the solution planning stage, so S3 did not carry out metacognitive activities. And the stage of solving the problem according to plan, S3 performed metacognitive activities planning. The subject could apply what was known to the formula by entering number, knowing the notion used was the radius symbolic by R in the formula for the area of a circle, and could remember the calculation of the step on the formula. At the monitoring stage, S3 made the calculation but incorrectly calculate the circle area. It could be seen on the student worksheet from the S3. However, S3 did not look for the given problem final result because the subject did not understand what steps should be used to solve the problem. S3 only placed the result of the area and the circle. And the step of examining the procedure and the result of the completion, S3 did not carry out the step of the examining the procedure and the result of the completion, so S3 did not carry out metacognitive activities. The conclusion, the subject with high mathematical reasoning ability in solving problem could perform all aspects of metacognitive activities at each stage of solving problem well. The subject with moderate mathematical reasoning ability in solving problem could carry out all aspects of metacognitive activities, however, only at the stage of understanding the problem, planning the solution, and solving the problem according to plan. The subject with low mathematical reasoning ability had two stages of problem solving with metacognitive activity. The stage of understanding the problem involved all metacognitive activities, and the stage of solving problem according to plan using only plan and monitoring metacognitive activities. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.